Hey guys, what's up? Today is Saturday, July 18th, 2009. It's currently 2:40 p.m. in case you're wondering. It's kind of stalkerish, but you know that's right. That's right. No, not really, but unless you're following me on Twitter. Anyway, I got a what's on my iPod video to do for you guys. This one is going to be, as you guys can probably read up there, what's on my iPod sounds. I know I've been getting a lot of comments and questions about what are those cool sounds you have on your iPod when so-and-so happens, or when this happens, or when that happens. So now I'm going to show you guys an example of that. And, yeah, let's go ahead and find out what's on my iPod. Hey guys, what's up? Really quickly, before I go ahead and let you guys get back to that video, I want to give two quick shoutouts to some really cool people. The first one is iPod and AIRSOFT with the N, not the and. Definitely go ahead and check him out. He's got some really cool videos and reviews. And somebody else I'd like you guys to go ahead and check out is Supersonic90. Supersonic90. Her link will also be over there, hopefully, in the video description. She has some really cool reviews. She usually has some really big giveaways. She just finished up a couple big ones. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to Supersonic90 and iPod and AIRSOFT. Really cool people. I think you guys will love their videos. So without further ado, I'll let you guys go ahead and get back to that. Peace. Alright guys, so what's up? How you doing once again? In this video, like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys a couple sounds that are on my iPod that you guys hear a lot actually in my videos, and I've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of questions, a lot of PMs about how to get them, what do you have to do to get them, something just like that, which you guys just heard. That's one of the ones you guys are trying to ask, how do you get that, or what do you do? So this is going to be a helpful video for you guys out there wondering how to do this. Okay, so to get these specific sounds on your iPod Touch or on your iPhone, you must have it jailbroken. Okay, you have to have a jailbroken iPod. You can't get it without having it jailbroken because you need Cydia. Alright, so I have some updates here, but we'll go ahead and do those when I'm done with this video. Okay, so like I said, you do need Cydia for this. Let's go back to the main page. So open up your Cydia on your iPhone or iPod Touch. And what you want to go to do is you want to go to Sections. You can go to All Packages and find it. Or, easier way, you can go to Search. And the first one I'm going to show you guys is Lightsaber Sounds. So we're going to go ahead and search Lightsaber. And it already shows up, so you can just click Search to get rid of that. And what this does, what that is, you guys have been asking this a lot as well. When I turn my iPod on or off, or when I put it into sleep mode, you guys can hear that, right? So when I go ahead and unlock my iPod, unlock it, you guys can hear those kind of like lightsaber sounds. So when, like, you know, lightsaber is going out, you get that sound, and when it's going back in, you get that sound when you lock it. So it's pretty cool. It goes along with what you're actually doing. So to get this, what you have to do is go into Cydia. Once again, search Lightsaber Sounds. Go ahead and click on it. The source you will need for this is the ModMy source. The ModMy source. This source automatically comes with Cydia. It should already be on your iPod. You shouldn't have to add anything for it. Okay? So what you want to go ahead and do is find the lightsaber one. Find it. Here it will say install. Mine says modify because I already have it, like you guys just saw. Then it'll say confirm. It'll take a little while. Respring or do whatever it tells you to do. Then you can press your home button. And you also need Winterboard for this, guys. So if you don't have Winterboard from the App Store, it's right there. You're going to need to have that. That's how you go through your themes and all extra stuff. So go ahead and click on Winterboard. Okay. Now you'll notice you'll have a lot of stuff inside, or at least I have a lot of stuff inside here. That's just because I've downloaded a lot of stuff. But we're going to go ahead and find it. So you guys can see it's right down there at the bottom. Yours, if you just downloaded it, would not be clicked. So it would be, oh, sorry, wrong one. It wouldn't be clicked, so it would be just like that. All you have to do is now click it. It'll take you back to your home screen as usual, and it will then respring your iPhone or iPod Touch. This is how mine resprings. I don't know if this is how yours resprings as well. It gives it a little pinwheel for a little bit. Then the screen goes almost like a dark blue, not fully off. You guys can tell you guys can see that the screen isn't fully off. Maybe it's with the 3.0, I don't know. But there we go, now that your iPod's back, you can then unlock it, and you have the lightsaber sound. So very simple, that's what it's called, lightsaber sounds. Search that in Cydia, do what I did, and you will have it. The next one, which just actually happened in the beginning of this video, I'll try to get it to happen again here. See if you can go back out of here, go into this email, like a bunch of emails in here, is this one. See if we can get it. Ah, no. See if we can get it. Come on. No. Alright. Well, you guys heard it in the beginning of the video. It was the AOL thing that really old, really long time ago. It said, "You've got mail." Instead of that annoying old beep or the double beeps or whatever this does when you get an email, it'll say that instead. It's a really cool add-on, something that'll make your iPod unique from anybody else's, and it actually draws some attention when it goes off. People usually laugh, like my family watch, because it is kind of funny. I laugh too. May get annoying after a while, but you know, it is pretty cool, something to have. So let's see if we can get it one more time. Let's see if we can get it to go.
You've got mail.
There we go. So whenever you get a new email, that will go off to whatever you have it set with your push notifications or in your settings or whatever. The fetch data, not push. Okay. So to get that, once again, you have to go into Cydia. Okay, give Cydia a chance to load its data, however you guys want to say it. Okay, I'm actually just going to bring down my springboard settings and lower the brightness. If you guys want to know how to do that, I'll put up a video for you guys in the future if you want. Let me know in a comment down below. Okay, so now you want to go into search once again, or you can go into all packages, and what you want to search here is A, capital O, capital L, doesn't really matter, and then it'll be right there, AOL, you've got mail. So what you want to go ahead and click on that. The source that this comes up with is the Planet iPhone source and the Big Boss source, which once again already come downloaded on Cydia when you jailbreak, so you don't need to add any sources for this. So this What's on My iPod was pretty neat because you don't have to add any sources for it. So it's AOL, you've got mail, install, confirm, okay, just spelled just like that, search for it, go home. Give it a second, focus. Alright, go into Winterboard, and just like you did with the lightsaber sounds and anything else that you put on there, you want to go ahead and click that. Let's see if we can get it right there. Okay, AOL, you've got mail. So yours won't come clicked. All you have to do is go ahead and click it, and then refresh, or you can, you know, add a little spice to things, you know, that's up to you. So go ahead and click that. Go ahead, click your home button, allow it to respring. Give it the 20 seconds or however long it may take for yours to respring. Just got to be patient when you're doing all this stuff because it takes a little while to download it. Then it takes a while to respring and confirm it and all that stuff. Not the big of a deal though. The files for these two things are not that large at all. As you can see in Cydia, they're not really big, so they don't take up a lot of room. You don't have to worry about that. So you guys aren't going to hear it right there, but it does go whenever you get a new email, like you heard. Hopefully you'll hear it here again. I'll try to get it to go one more time. Is it going to go?
You've got mail.
Just like that. Really cool. Add some spice, add some originality to your iPod instead of that boring old dull unlock sound and the boring mail sound. So cool little two What's on My iPod sounds for you guys. Any other requests for What's on My iPods, guys? Comment down below in a comment. Give me some feedback on what else you guys want to see about What's on My iPod, or anything that you guys may see in a video. I'll have a What's on My iPod theme for the theme I'm rocking right now. And so if you guys want to see any other What's on My iPod, let me know, and I'll make a video for it. Okay, guys? So thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you all later. Favorite, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day.